Alright guys, what's up? Dr. M3 for a night drive in the Aventador SVJ Zago edition. It's been a while that I've been driving in this car, but I figured I'd show you around. We're actually bringing the car to a special event that's going to be happening over the next couple of days. Kind of wanted to show you what we're doing. We have my daily driver, the Model Y. So combination of petrol that's just crazy. I don't even want to figure out how many miles a gallon I get. But it's more like miles per gallon in this car. And of course we have the Tesla, which is just ridiculously efficient. And I've said this before, if you have not seen that video, that's the best daily driver I've had in a long time. It's a controversial statement, but if you kind of want to hear more of my thoughts on that car and on this car and what's coming in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn notifications on, and you'll get all those videos when I post them. So, we've got a little dip here. Oops. I'm gonna open the window just behind my head so you can actually hear those noises piped in to the car. And it's kind of interesting. You'll notice it more on the anniversary car, that if you look at the bonnet, it's raised in the center and it's pointed towards the cabin. And so through this area here, it acts as a trumpet to get those engine noises into the cabin. And you don't have that on the coupe. You have it on the Roadster. And of course you get a lot more of the sound and feel and everything when you've got the roof off. So this car is in the collection permanently because, as you know, we are now going to a hybrid drivetrain. I had the opportunity in December to be one of less than 200 people in the United States to see the new Aventador replacement. Somebody just leaked a couple of photos. I'm not going to say anything more than that because I did sign an NDA and I'm a man of my word, so I'm not going to talk about it, other than to say that the car is crazy. It's wicked. Frankly, the first year and a half of production is already sold out. Period. Done. Virtually everyone that I know of that went to the unveiling in December placed an order. And so there you have it. So it's going to be a really interesting car. It's competitive for sure. And, well, you know, I'm a Lambo guy, so you know what's going to happen. Anyway, I just wanted to show you around night drive in this car. I want to do a little bit more videos in this, maybe not talking so much, so that you can hear the sights and sounds. In fact, if you want to see a really good video by a buddy of mine, Tedward did a great review. I have to actually have him come back, or maybe when I take the car to Florida when we didn't have as much traffic, that you can get a good binaural video where you can hear it and him not talking. You just experience this car in its natural form. It's just absolutely insane. I love it. And it stays. Anniversary stays. There's something new that's now currently on the water. That's the new news. That's part of why I wanted to do this video. That will be here in the next few weeks. And I am excited about it. It's very traditional. It's more in line with what I'm known for too as well. I'm excited to share that car with you once it gets here. It's gonna be freaking awesome. And we're approaching car season, so that's gonna be good too. Oh, the noise on this thing. Not too many things make as good a noise as a naturally aspirated V12 engine. And this has all the bangs and bops from folks who've asked me to put a Gentani exhaust or a bunch of other exhausts that are out there. Honestly, nope. This is one of 10 cars, one of 4 in the United States. Yeah, I am not going to be modifying this very much at all. This car is going to stay really stock. I mean, it would be really wrong to really mess with this car too much. I like it a lot. We're going to keep it the way it is. And that's how it is. I'm not putting an exhaust on it. Same thing I thought about with the anniversary car. The anniversary car actually has a Lamborghini sports exhaust on it, so it's louder, it crackles more. It actually has a very different exhaust note and profile than this car. Oh. You gotta love that. How could you not? And unfortunately, we're in this traffic here. So I'm gonna stop and get us through this traffic, and then we'll get back on the highway. So in 3, 2, 1, and we're back. Oh my God, this thing is ridiculous. So good. Whoops. There was something in the road there. That's the one thing about driving at night, is you always have to watch out for more hazards. And in a car like this that's low, debris on the road, you know, potholes, still winter time, those are just deadly to a car like this with low profile tires. But I gotta put the windows down. We have a little, here we go. Another one, here we go. Zago, baby. This car is a pleasure to drive. Alright guys, that's probably gonna do it for us today.